Do you think AI might replace project managers in future?
Yeah, I would not say completely, but actually project managers play a very crucial role in overseeing the projects and managing stakeholders, making decisions which are mainly strategic decisions. So AI can assist in automating routine tasks, and they can analyze the data very well, providing the insights. Then human managers actually bring the qualities like empathy, creativity, adaptability, which a machine might not bring into the table. I mean, I'm not saying cannot, but yeah. And mostly project management actually involves complex interpersonal interactions, between the stakeholders, and there are certain dynamics. While AI, I would say it is a tool which can help in task automation and replacing the human element. It is unlikely. I mean, I'm not sure it would do so. But yeah, maybe in future.
Okay.